Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the Outlook calendar widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home button to take you back to the home screen, and then on the home screen touch and hold. Then tap on widgets at the bottom. In here you want to tap on the Outlook folder, and in the Outlook folder now you can see here it's the Outlook calendar. If you swipe across, there are also other items. Now you want to choose the calendar widget, so tap and hold and then drag it out onto the home screen and let go. Okay, next you want to choose the calendar that you want to display on your home screen, so you can choose calendar. You can also choose birthday calendar and US holidays. If you would like to display the holidays in your calendar, then you can tick the box. And finally, just tap on the add widget button at the bottom to add the widget to the home screen. Now in here you can also adjust the size of the widget, so you can make it wider and taller or shorter. So if you want the widget to cover the whole screen, basically you can drag it so that it covers the whole screen. This is as high as it can go, and this is as further down as low as it can go. And that's it. And then just tap anywhere outside the screen to save the changes. And that is the calendar right there. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Now within this widget, you can also swipe up or down so that it can scroll down and you can view more events as you scroll down. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.